So what you want to do to recover a permanently deleted video on Windows 11/10 is you want to basically download this program. Now I will leave this Microsoft discussion in the link in the description of this video. So what you want to do is open up the folder where this file is located and then choose a drive where the video was deleted. Select the partition type, then select file opt and specify video file types like MP4, AVI, or .mov. And then specify a folder of a different drive to save the recorded files, and then PhotoRec, this program that I've been talking about, will scan the drive and recover deleted videos based on the file signature. So what happens basically is when you delete a file in Windows, the file itself is not quite deleted, but the pointers who point to that file is deleted. It's a little bit of complicated more than that, but this is just a rough explanation. So your pointers to the file are getting deleted, but not the file itself, so it's harder to find, but there's still ways to recover it, so this is one of them.